If 2x is on your right, leave it on your right. What we moving? We moving the negative 2, right? Okay. When negative 2 comes here, right? This is why I want to see my equation looking, right? The next step would be 34. You put back the 34. And minus 2 would become is equal to what remains on the right. You catch it there, Nathan? That's what's supposed to go on here, right? Now, 34 plus 2 is equal to 2x. What are we doing with the 2 now? 36 divided by 2 is equal to x. 36 divided by 2 is 18 is equal to x. Everybody good there? Right? Everybody should have gotten that, right? Let's go. Next. Simple one here. What are we moving 4 to the side and doing with it? X will be equal to 9 minus 4. X is equal to 5. Right? Next. So this one here, what operation is understood in front of 12? Plus. Opposite of plus is 2. So there'll be 69 minus 12 is equal to 3x. I put 36. 3x. Right? 69 minus 12 is what? 57, right? What we do with the 3 now? Right? 57 is equal to 3x. Carry the 3 here, and it will be 57 divided by 3. Mr. Manny Bobby didn't do homework. Huh? Brother, this is the second week you tell him, brother. Remember last week I tell you, if you go home 5 minutes after you reach home, you'll send me the homework. The second week you tell me that I have it on tape. Right? Next weekend we go follow out. Right? I'll have to call in your mom. Because you come like if you're face to face, what's the difference? When you're home and doing your work, you come in here and you want to do your work too? Crazy, let's call that. 57 divided by 3.
19.
Right? Face to faces are different experience. So from next week, if you continue with that, I ain't feel like I'm wasting no money to send you no face to face, right? There we go. What are we doing with this for? X is equal to 48 divided by 4. X is equal to
12.
Everybody good there?
Yeah.
Right, let's send this down. Right, open this. So there we go. We can only add or subtract what kind of terms? We can only add or subtract.
Like
so the only things that can work out here will be what? So I put the 12x by itself and then I put negative 4 minus 2. Negative 4 minus 2 would be what?
So that'll be take away 6.
Right. Okay. Everybody good there?
Yeah.
Huh? But you understand this? You don't understand your directed numbers to do this. Right? When the two signs are the same, you have to add. Always keep the sign in front of a larger number when you add and subtracting. I mean, this is as a simplify. We're not solving here. The instruction for this one is to simplify each of the following expressions, not solve. All right? Say that again. No, you're not dividing nothing. You cannot add or subtract unlike terms. This is 12x minus 6. You can't do nothing further here. This is just to simplify. Understand the difference in the instructions, right? This one is just to simplify. Okay? If you do your homework and you check over the questions above here, right? Watch it here. No, right. If you check these questions above here, you will see I didn't divide nothing here. You see me divide anything here? We just simplify. Okay? So we go in here now. That's where homework is coming, eh? And if next week if you come in without homework, I'm gonna have a conversation with your mom. Right? You hear me? Right. What's going on here, right? Oh, right. There you go. So, what are the like terms here?
Negative 35x.
Negative 35x.
5x and 2x.
5x and negative 2x. Right? and then the negative 10 by itself. So negative 35 plus 5 will give me what? Negative 30, proper thing. Right? Right, this was negative 35x. Write it, Amani. You didn't do it. Right, this will be negative 30x minus 2x minus 10, right? Negative 30x minus 2x will be what?
32x.
Negative 32x
X.
minus 10.
Equal
Can we
to
do
10.
anything else here?
No.
No, that's it. Right, we're simplifying here. Right? Well, you understand that 95%, no, probably not so much, probably about 90% of the students who fail in every year is students who either lazy or don't want it, right?
Oh.
Probably the last 10% is probably the 10% that probably have learning disabilities and like the situation at home real terrible that they really can't concentrate, right? But 90% of the students write an exam every year, mark my words, either lazy or don't want education, right? Trust me. There we go. You might have, Sheldon, you might have leave and come back, by. Sheldon, why enjoying with your phone, by? There we go. 3x minus 5x will be how much x? Negative 2x, and then you have minus 2x. Two signs are the same, so you have to add. You get 4x, and then you keep the sign. Sheldon,
So
you
you put negative 2x, subtract negative 2x.
say that again, Commoner.
You put negative 2x, subtract negative 2x when it was supposed to be negative 8x.
No, 3x minus 5x is negative 2x.
Sorry, see.
Yeah, that's okay. Right, there we go. Last one here. (2x minus 13x). I put any like terms together. Remember, nothing not going over no equal sign. So nothing not changing from positive to negative or negative to positive. This will be 2x minus 13x. Then I have the y's. I have negative 7y, negative 7y minus y. And then I'll put the minus 3 alone. Everybody good there? So this will be equal to negative 2x minus 13x will be how much x? Negative 11x. Negative 7y minus 1y will be how much y?
6y. Wait,
Negative
what?
8y. The two signs are the same, so you have to add. Keep the sign in front of the larger number at all times. And this will be minus 3. Could I simplify anything further here? No. It has no more x's to add. It has no more y's. Everything, all these terms are unlike. And the number that by itself is an unlike term, right? But it's unlike x and y. All right, we have to solve these. What's going on here? What's all this? It's too close. Right? You want to bring all the x's on one side and carry the numbers on the next, right? So I'm going to bring this 2x here. Everybody good there? And I'm going to carry this negative 4 there. How would my next line look? Let me hear you.
3x plus 2x.
3x plus 2x equals 6 taking 4.
6 take away 4? 6 take away 4, Gabriel?
No, 6 plus 4.
This minus 4 becomes plus 4, right? 3x plus 2x will be how much x?
5.
6 plus 4 would be?
10.
What do I do with this
10.
5 when I carry it here?
Substitute it.
Substitute? That's not the word. Divide.
Shucks.
X is equal to 10 divided by 5. X is equal to
2. Right.
Right? What we doing here next? What we moving?
The X, we isolating them.
This 2x coming here. And
Here.
this is plus 2. So let's go in there. Hey, hold on, guys. No,
Yeah.
that's positive. That's minus 2. We don't have any x there. That's
Alright.
this plus 2 became minus 2 when it went there. Right?
Alright.
So I carried
Yeah.
negative 2 to the left. It became positive 2x. Then I carried the plus 2 to the right. It became minus 2, right? Negative 4x plus 2x will be how much x? 6 minus 2 is?
4.
Why do you know this negative 2 and I carry there?
Dividing.
Oh, somebody say, this is negative 2 multiplied by x is equal to 4, right? The opposite of multiplying negative 2 is dividing negative 2, right? So this became x is
Positive.
equal to 4 divided by negative 2. The opposite of multiplying negative 2 is dividing negative 2. How much times I said that?
So I could go get my laptop charger.
No problem. So I'm
Thanks.
coming right here on this side, right? So x will be equal to what? 4 divided by negative 2.
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Negative 2. A negative into a positive is a negative. All right, let's go. Right, what are we moving here? 11x coming here and plus 10 going there. Nathan, what's the action here? Right? 22x was on the right, so I put in that first, right? 11x came to me the 22x, that becomes minus 11x. Cool? And this will be equal to negative 12 was on the right, it did not go anywhere. Positive 10 going to meet negative 12, that becomes negative 10, right? Solid. Can't make no mistake at any point in time. 22 minus 11 would be, and negative 12 minus 10 would be negative 22. What we carrying is 11 there and doing, right? So x is equal to negative 22 divided by 11. X will be equal to what? Negative 2, because a negative divided by a positive is a negative. Everybody good there? The last one here. I didn't give you all these for homework. What we have down here? That's 10. All right. All right, there you go. What are we moving? This x coming. And this is plus 16. This coming. So this becomes negative 6x plus x is equal to 1 minus 16, right? Negative 6x plus x will give me negative 5x. And then 1 minus 16 would give me negative 15. What do we do with this negative 5 now? So x will be equal to negative 15 divided by negative 5. X will be equal to, a negative divided by negative is a positive 3. Bang. So what I'm going to show you all to do here is how to remove these brackets, right? Now, once we have to solve a question that involves brackets, mission number 1 is to get rid of the brackets, right? So that 2 that is in front of the bracket here, we need to multiply by every single term within. So 3x plus 2 is equal to what? 4x. 2 multiplied by 2x would be 4x, and then 2 multiplied by 1 would be 2, right? And then from here is just like what we were doing all along. You have to carry what? We carry this 4x here, right? This is plus 4x. What it will become when it goes to the left? And then this is plus 2. What will become when it goes there? So this will be 3x minus 4x is equal to 2 minus 2, right? So there we go. 3x minus 4x is how much x? Negative 1x is equal to 0. Negative 1 comes here, and what do we do with it? Divide. It will be 0 divided by negative 1. 0 divided by anything would be x is equal to 0. So copy this one down, and then I'm going to give you all a little time to try it. So we go in. 4 is in front of the bracket here, so I'm going to multiply 4 by 3x and 4 by 1. So 28 would be equal to 4 3s are 12x. 4 by 1 is 4, right? So 4 is going to come here, and what are we doing with it? 28 minus 4 is equal to 12x, right? 28 minus 4 is 24, and this will be equal to 12x, right? What's the next step we got to do here? Divide, right? So I'm carrying this 12 here and divide it. 24 divided by 12 is equal to x. Go ahead.
2.
2. Yeah, the answer is 2. So 2 would be equal to x, right?
Right.
That's my answer there. Right. What's going on here? Amani, this thing is about composure. You have to compose yourself. Draw your arrows. Don't lose it. So 2 multiplied by x and 2 multiplied by 1, right? So you're writing back the 4, you put the plus, you put the 2x, and you put in the plus 2 equals to 12. We want to carry this 4 here because you want to leave the x alone here, and this 2 going there also, right? Or you can just add them on this side one time. I can do that too. No, that's our next option. Let me do that. So that carrying the 2 things. That might look messy. So you could actually do 2x plus 4 plus 2 will give me 6 is equal to 12. You see that? When I carry 6 here, man, what do you with it? 2x didn't go anywhere. Put back that 2x, then you have 12 minus 6. 2x will be equal to 6. What do you know, Amani? Divide. So 2 comes here and it's going to be divided. X will be equal to 6 divided by 2. X is equal to 3. Watch how smooth that was. Right? Copy it down, Amani. Copy it down. Right. So 1 is understood in front of this bracket here. So it's like 1 multiplied by x, 1 multiplied by 2, right? So I'll put 7x plus, watch it here, Amani, you didn't do this one. 1 by x gives me x, and 1 by 2 gives me 2. This will be equal to 22. Everybody good there? All right? What we do next here, Amani? Tell me what the next line going to look like. 8x. And what we do next? We're going to find x. What are we moving next? Why are you moving the 22? We want to find x, you know? So you have to move everything around this 8x, right? You have to move everything around the 8x. You can't touch the 8 yet. The 8 is the last thing you're moving. What are we moving next? Go ahead, Gabriel. Tell him. Plus 2 will become what? So the 8x remain here, right? 8x is equal to 22 minus 2, right? 8x will be equal to what? So what do we do with this 8 now? X will be equal to 20 divided by 8. X will be equal to what? Huh? Wait again, 2 and a half? Yeah. X will be equal to 2, because 8 to the 20 is 2, remainder 4 over 8. But that 4 over 8 could be reduced to a half. So this will be 2 and a half. Okay, write this down, Amani. Watch it in. Kimani, you getting all this?
Yes, sir.
Right, so there we go. What are we doing here so far? What's the first thing we have to do? Torrington.
Get rid of the brackets.
So what are you multiplying 3 by?
1x and 2.
And then this 4 is going to be multiplied by what?
2x and 1.
So give me the next line.
3 3x or 2.
2?
6.
Right, plus 6 plus
8x
plus
4.
right equals to 6x plus 20. What we do next here, Ramdas?
So you put in all the x's to one side.
Here what I would do, this I can simplify first. I was now telling Amani this, right? 3x plus 8x will be how much x?
11x.
And 6 plus 4 would be what?
10.
And then you have to put back the 6x plus 20 here. Now, what we doing next? This makes it a little more simple. What we moving next, Ramdas?
You move the 6x.
6x coming here. Remember, this is plus 6x, right? And this
Yeah.
plus 10 going here, right?
Yeah.
Sanka, what's the next line? What the next line will look like, Sanka?
So I wrote my statements a different way.
They do that different way.
Yeah.
That's okay, but from watching it here, what do you think the next line would look like?
11x take away 6x.
Excellent. Is equal to 20 was on the side, so I put the 20 first. 20 what?
Minus 10.
Right. So 11x minus 6x will be how much x? And 20 minus 10 would be? When I bring the 5 here, what do I do with it? So x is equal to 2. Right? That's how simple. Right. So we want to solve this, meaning we want to find the value of x. We must get rid of our brackets first. 5 by x and 5 by 6. So this will be 6x plus 4 plus 5 by x will be, and 5 by 6 will be equals to 56. You fix it out, Manny? We end up getting for x. 2 here, okay. Right, so I would simplify here, right? I'll do the 6x plus the 5x would be 11x, and 4 plus 30 would be 34 equals 56, right? Carry 34 here. I'm going to have 11x is equal to 56 minus 34. So 11x would be equal to 22. What do I do with the x, the 11 now? I carry to the right and I divide, right? So when 11 comes there, divided, x will be equal to 22 divided by 11. X will be equal to 2. Everybody good there? Let me do 7 one time. Right, this one a little different. So I want to show you all this one. I want to see how you'll handle number 8 after. So this is actually negative 2. Negative 2 by x and negative 2 by negative 4. So watch it. Put back the 6x. Then negative 2 by x will give me what? Negative 2 by negative 4. Negative by negative is a 4 2s are. And this is equal to 1. Right? So watch it. 4x minus 2x will give me how much x? Sorry, 6x minus 2x will give me 4x. When I carry this 8 here, what do I do with it? Like carry the 8 there one time. What I do with the 8? Minus. Ooh. Minus 8. You can rest them here. Yeah. You lost it now? Oh, yeah. Do you do the thing? Right. So minus 8. 4x will be equal to negative 7. Everybody good there? Right? 1 minus 8 is negative 7. So what do I do this for now? Divide. Negative 7 divided by 4. You can leave it just so. Or you can write it as an improper fraction. 4 into 7 is negative 1. Remainder 3 over 4. Right? So copy this down and let's, because I see you all here now reach 8. So fix that and then let's do 8, 9, and 10. Yeah. Negative. Right. So let's go. This thing, right? Let me go with 8. What's the first thing you do here, Bob? Divided by 2x, you know. And then right. What next?
16.
Tell me what the next line is.
16.
16. I get 16. I get 5.
6x.
6x what?
Plus 6x minus 12.
Right. You had this in your book or you know trying to figure it out? Minus 12. What next?
2x.
Oh, you get minus 10. Negative 2 multiplied by negative 5 will give me what? Negative 10 and negative multiplied by negative is a negative? Positive 10 is equal to 10. Where did next? Bob. 12 and 2x switch, right? So you put what you have, 6x, well, right, where's the next line?
4x.
Negative 12 plus 10 as well. Negative 12 plus 10. No. Negative 12 plus 10, Gabriel. Negative 2. And this is equal to 10. Right? So fix it one time. Fix it, fix it. When I carry the 2 here, what we do with it? So 4x is equal to 10 plus 2. 4x is equal to 12. What we do next? Fix it, Bob. Right, so you can divide it, you can leave it in the back there too. Yeah. X is equal to 12. Later, I bro, why? Thanks, why? Tomorrow, I'll go message you. Yeah. 12 divided by X will be equal to fix it, Bob. Oh, what's the first thing you did there, Ramo?
Well, you get another bracket, so 2 into X and 2 into 7.
That's bad English. 2 multiplied by X, 2 multiplied by 7. Into is divide. Right? Right, Ramo?
Yes, sir.
3 multiplied by X, and well, negative 3 multiplied by X, negative 3 multiplied by negative 5. What's the next line, Ramo?
2 plus 2x.
2x plus what?
9, sir.
2 multiplied by 7 is 9?
14.
14, right? Negative 3 multiplied by X, Ramo.
Negative.
And negative 3 multiplied by negative 5, Ramo.
Negative 15.
And negative multiplied by negative is a positive, Ramo. This will be plus 15 is equal to 21. What we do next here, guys? 2x minus the 3x, right? Now I'll put it together here because I'm realizing some of us are really struggling still. I put in the minus 3x next to the 2x, and then you have plus 14 plus 15 equals to 21. So I'm going to simplify everything on the left before I move anything. So 2x minus 3x is what? Negative 1x. Plus how much? 14 plus 15 would be 29 is equal to 21. I'm going to carry this 29 here. And what do I do with it? Mongol, what are we doing with this here?
So you're subtracting it.
Right. So this will be negative 1. Just away. Hold on. Right. So this will be negative 1x is equal to 21 subtract 29. Negative 1x is equal to, where you get when you calculate that, Mongol?
So I get 8.
Positive 8?
No, so negative 8.
Right, negative 8. Why do we need negative 1 now, Mongol? When I carry there?
Divided.
Right, so this will be, very good, Mongol. Right, so this will be x is equal to negative 8 divided by negative 1. X is equal to a negative divided by negative is a positive. 1 into 8 is 8. Now this one here, 1 is understood in front this bracket, right? So you're multiplying 2 by x. Watch it there, Bob. 2 by x and 2 by negative 3. Then this x now multiplied by nobody. This negative 1 multiplies by 1. And this negative x is going to multiply by x. Everybody good there? Okay? So let's go. What do you next time will look like? Call it out. Anybody? 2x minus 6 plus x. That x stands by itself. Minus 1 because negative 1 by positive 1 gives you negative 1. Negative, watch it there, Bob. Negative 1 by negative x will give me positive x. Fix it, Bob. Fix it. And this is equal to 1. Right? What's the next thing we put in here, Bob? Call out the next line. What's the next line here? 2x. What are you doing here, Bob? We're putting together. No, you're not going over the equal sign. Now I'm trying to tell you. This is plus x. You see the sign in front of there? This is plus x. If this x goes to this side, then it will become minus. So this will be plus x. And then you have another plus x here. Then you have minus 6. And then you have minus 1. You understand, Bob? So this x did not go over the equal sign. I just rearrange it on the same side. If you rearrange it on the same side, the way how that change? Right. If you're rearranging it on the same side, the sign that is in front of it is what moving with it. Okay? So I just put plus x, or even if you don't move it around, you could say, what's something? You could say 2x plus x would actually give you 4x. Right? You're not moving over. Once you don't move over equal sign, it can't change from plus to minus. Only when you switch from one side of the equal sign to the next. Do you understand? Nathan, Bob. Right? So this here, when you add it together, you get 4x. Then negative 6 minus 1 will give you negative 7 is equal to 1. When you carry the negative 7 here, what you do with it? So you see, that is how it changes that positive. Do you understand, Bob? This changes to plus 7 now because you flip side, you change side, right? So 4x will be equal to 8. What do we do with the 4 now? So x would be equal to 8 divided by 4. X is equal to 2. Everybody good there? Write it down. answer that correct, okay? So let's go. I don't think you will get any homework today because we're going to finish out all these now, right? So what we doing with this 12 here? Subtracting, right? Make some space here. Right. So you're carrying this 12 to the right and you're subtracting. This is where you have your money bob. 7x is equal to 33 minus 12. You have this? You have this, Nathan? 7x is equal to what? 21. Bring the 7 here. X is equal to 21 divided by 7. X is equal to 3. Boom. Right? X is equal to 3. Next one. You're going to carry the minus 3x here, and you're going to carry the minus 10 here. What the next line would look like? Anybody? Because of 15 plus 10. Again, but nobody. This will be what? 5x is equal to?
5x is equal to 25, sir.
25. Excellent. We're bringing the 5 here and do with it.
Divide it.
X is equal to 5. Proper. That's 2 in the bag. What we doing here now? What do you need to get rid of? So there'll be this by this and this by this. Right? So what the next line will look like?
15 minus 4x equals 6x plus 2.
Right? Bring in, this is plus 6x, right? This plus 6x come in here, and this is plus 15. This plus 15 go in there. What the next line would read?
Minus 6x equals to
Negative 4x minus 6x is equal to 2.
minus 15.
Right? Negative 4x minus 6x will be how much x? Negative 10x is equal to 2 minus 15 would be?
Negative 13.
Well, bring in this negative 10 here and do it. So
Divide.
x would be equal to negative 13 divided by negative 10. Right? Which will be x is equal to what? Positive 1.3?
Yeah.
X is equal to 1.3. Right? What are we doing here? Multiplying 2 by, and then 2 by, 4 by, and 4 by. How the next line would look?
10x plus 3 equals to 4.
10x plus
3. 10x plus 6
is equal to
4x
minus 12. Right? We bring in this 4x here. This is plus 4x. You're carrying this plus 6 there. What the next line would look like? 10x
minus 4x equals to negative 12
minus 6. 10x minus 4x would be
6x.
is equal to negative 18. Negative 12 minus 6 would be 18. You're carrying 6 here. What are you doing with it? X would be negative 18 divided by 6. What we do next here? Negative 18 divided by 6.
X is equal to negative 3.
Everybody good there? And last question for the day. What we doing here? 2 multiplied by and 2 multiplied by. So what's the next line?
2p
Plus 10 minus 7 is equal to 4p. Right? 10 minus 7 would be what? Plus 3 is equal to 4p. Now I could bring this 4p here, but this is plus 4p. It will become minus 4p. This plus 3 will become minus 3. So the next line would read 2p minus 4p is equal to negative 3. Everybody good there? Right? 2p minus 4p would be negative 2p is equal to negative 3. Right? What do we carry negative 2 and do with it here? Negative 3 divided by negative 2, which can be broken down to be positive 1.5. Or you could leave it as just positive 3 over 2. Or you could put 1.5. So next week we'll be writing sentences as algebraic expressions, right? This will be the topic for next week, okay? So I'm going to send this in the group along with the recording. I'll see you all next week. Pleasing to